So hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to do the global invoicing or consolidation in Odoo 19 point of sale. So let's dive into the point of sale. And here you can just consider uh furniture shop. So once you have go to the furniture shop, we can just make order for the product with the same customer. So let me consider acoustic block screen and let me add the item into the cart. Afterwards, we just need to add the customer. So I would like to add the customer over here. And afterwards, you can just choose the payment method. And here we just need to uncheck the invoice. And you can choose the payment method. So that's cash. And let's click on validate. And we have just made the payment. And again, let me create another order for conference share. You can add the item with the quantity. And now here we just need to add the customer. So we have to add the same customer in order to do the consolidation billing or the global invoice. So let me click on payment and follow the same procedure. Let's uncheck the invoice and here we just go with the cash and let's click on validate. And here you can see we have created two order for the customer, for the same customer. So once you have just done with it, you can just move on to the backend and you can see we have the option called, the menu called orders. And from the orders, you can just consider the orders. And as we have just unchecked the invoice, you can see that the invoice status will be to invoice. Okay. Now, if you want to just filter it based on the customer, you can also just do so. So let's group by customer. And here you can find the customer. So let me consider the customer and let me select the orders of the customer. And here you can see that we have the option called create invoices. So as you just go with create invoices, this would obviously open a wizard and with the order count and the consolidate billing. And we just need to create one invoice for the order of the customer. So let me click on create invoice so that the invoice will be created from here. And you can see that uh, we have just created the invoice and the invoice has just moved from draft state to the post-trade state. So this is how we manage with the consolidate billing or global invoice in Odoo 19 point of sale. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.